Good morning, children. I hope you all are safe and happy at home. I really like the way most of the children are able to complete their work and send it on time. Let us continue to do the good work today also. Alright, let us move ahead and see what is our first activity. Our first activity is I want you to answer three questions in the English notebook. Let us see what is our first question. It says, have you seen a circus in real or on television? Yes, आपने कभी सर्कस देखा है क्या? जाके खुद देखा है या टेलीविजन पे देखा है? आपको you have to write yes or no to this answer. Okay, let us see what is the second question. What are the two things that you have seen in the circus? So there are many things that happens in a circus. There are people who are performing various tricks. There are animals who are doing various tricks. So what are the two things that you have seen? Yes, I want you to write that. And the third question is draw one best thing you liked in the circus. Yes, among the many activities that you have seen in the circus, what is that one best thing that you liked? Yes, this is a really interesting question. I want you to draw this. Okay, let me see who all can draw very nicely and how you can express what you liked in the circus. All right, let us move ahead and see our second activity. All right, our second activity is page 12 of the English activity book. Yes, so let us read this. Last week, my family and I went to see the circus that came to my town. I was very excited because I had never been to a circus before. Yes, here the author is trying to say, maybe the author is a small girl or a boy. He's trying to say that he was very excited because he is going to see a circus for the first time. We all know that something that we do for the first time, we are really excited. Maybe going to a water park, watching a movie for the first time, going to a zoo for the first time. We all are very excited, isn't it? Yes, even here the author was very excited to go to the circus with his family. All right. Right away, the ringmaster introduced the first act. We see that there is a ringmaster. I have placed a picture of the ringmaster on the left side. Yes, he has a hunter in his hand and he is called the ringmaster. So he started with his first act. Two acrobats hung from wires high above my head. Yes, on top of the slide, you see that there are people who are doing acrobatics. Yes, so they are hung on a wire and they are flying from one end to another. Yes, they did flips and spins and twirls. Yes, were flipping. Yes, they were doing various acts on the wires. Next, a small car came out of the and drove around in circles. We have seen this in many movies. Yes, there's a big hole that is made, and in that, someone is driving a car. Yes, in the circus also, there was this act where there was a car coming in and out of the circle. When it stopped, clowns began to pile out. Yes, clowns means jokers. So, when that act was done, there was a clown. There were many clowns coming out. I counted them as they climbed out of the tiny car. One, two, three, 8, 9, 10. Wow! So, gradually, slowly, 10 clowns came out in the circus, and he was so excited to see them. As the circus went on, I saw elephants doing tricks. Yes, there was even an elephant who was doing some trick. And he is also saying seals balancing balls on their nose. On top of the page, you also see a fish that is called a seal. Yes, even it was balancing a ball on his nose. And a fire eater. Just below the passage, there's a man who's trying to eat a fire. Yes, we have seen this acts in movies, in programs. Yes, he's called a fire eater. The last act was my favorite. A magician waved his wand and made a lady disappear and then appear, reappear. Yes, so the last thing in the circus that he saw was the magic act, where a magician has a magic wand. Wand means a stick that he carries in his hand. When he just rotates it, the- a lady disappears. Yes, disappears means वैनिश होना, गायब होना, एंड देन रीअपियर्स, फिर से आ जाती है, गायब होती है और फिर से आ जाती है. It was amazing. I really enjoyed my first circus. Yes, so we saw there were so many activities and tricks that were done in the circus. I'm sure you enjoyed reading this passage with me. Yes, this is on page 12 of our English activity book. I want you to read this passage by yourself. After reading, you will answer the questions on page number 13. Okay, let us move ahead and see what is our third activity for the day. Our third activity for the day is on page number 11, which is common noun and proper noun. You have to underline the common noun and proper noun on this page. Okay, so let us revise once again what is a common noun and proper noun. Like we see in the picture, it says a common noun names any person, place, thing, or idea. Common nouns are often preceded by a, an, or the. Yes. So we say that anything that is in common, yes, a girl, a city, without a name, it does not have a specific name. So it is called a common name. So it is preceded. Yes. So it will always have the word a and the. Okay. So you will have to look for such clues before underlining the common name. Yes. So we see that common noun in the picture is a popcorn, a girl, a city. Alright. So common noun does not have a specific name. Alright. Let us see what is a proper noun. A proper noun names a particular person, place, thing. Proper noun begin with capital letters. Yes, this is a simple clue how you will come to know about a proper noun. A proper noun will always have capital letter in the beginning. For example, Jiffy Pop. So the popcorn's name is Jiffy Pop. Alright. Girl. So what is the girl's name? Babe Ruth. Yes, we see it is again written in a capital letter. City. What is the city's name? Myrtle Beach. So again, M is in capital letter. So anything that comes in capital letter is a proper noun. Yes, it is the specific names that are given to things. Let us see few more examples. Yes, common noun and proper noun. So teacher is a common noun. What is a proper noun? Raji Didi. I have written Raji Didi with a capital R. Alright. School is a common noun. Which school do we study in? Savitri Bai Phule. Yes. So I have written Savitri Bai Phule with a capital S. Movie. Movie. So movie is a common noun. Which movie are we talking about? Lion King. So Lion King is a proper noun. Country. We live in India. So it starts with a capital I. India. India is a proper noun. Flower. Which flower are we talking? It is rose. So rose is written with a capital letter. So these are the examples of common noun and proper noun. Alright, I really hope you have understood this and you will do the activity on page number 11 of our English activity book. I hope you enjoy doing today's work. All right. And I want you to complete all the activities, activity 1, 2 and 3. Activity 1 in the English notebook, 2 and 3 in English activity book that is given by school. Quickly finish your work, click a picture and send it to me. I am waiting to see your work. Thank you, children.